guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media. And as you can tell, I just woke up. I just did my hair. I didn't really plan to do this, but I just got a haircut, so I wanted to see what it looked like with curls in, and I figured, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it. I kind of wish I would have gone a little bit shorter. I think I would have wished to go like right here, but I think it looks fine. I think it looks good, and I like it. Maybe I should have done a little bit more layers, but I just went with a straight cut and a little bit of face framing. I just wanted to take it like very like basic and normal, but yeah, I really like it. I think it looks good. I think the length looks good. I was really tired of the really long hair. It was getting down to like my butt, so it was kind of annoying like styling it, like having to like keep it out of my face and stuff. So either way, it's done, it's out, and I love it. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a vlog day. It's gonna be normal. It's gonna be simple because my face is so swollen, but it's okay. Today I work, and then after work we just have a couple errands to run to prepare for Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna make ribs, corn and potatoes, so that's what we're gonna go get. We're gonna go to, I think, Sam's and get that stuff, either Sam's or Costco, one or the other. We'll see how we feel after work, because Sam's is a little bit further away. Costco's a lot closer, it's maybe like 3 miles away from us, but we kind of really like Sam's, so maybe we'll take the drive over to Sam's. But either way, let's go ahead and get the day started. Let's get it going. Alright, you guys, so I wish I could say that I start my morning super productive, but I do not. So I have a very slow morning. I just went through and looked at what I completed yesterday. Oh, Matthew just texted me. It's a TikTok, what's new? But so today is Tuesday, and I added some of the things. I added this list right here. There's more that I have to do, but I didn't have room, and I can just insert it on every day. I can go through and decide what I want to do or need to do. So far I added sweep, coffee bar, and fridge. I also want to mop, so maybe I'll add that depending on how much we have to do. We do have to go to Costco after work, so I'll actually add that. I haven't logged into work yet, so I haven't added my schedule, but we do have to go. Actually, I think we decided we're gonna go to Sam's. Matthew walked in and he was like, let's go to Sam's. So it seems like Sam's is gonna be where we go. Now, the other thing that I want to do really quick before work is prepare my daily. So this is kind of like the layout that I follow. It's just very simple. I didn't do it for the 1st of February. I just added the prompt on here, the prompts from Coffee Monster Co.'s website. And then I added the little calendar, little monthly calendar also from our website, and the month, and I just added a ton of stickers. I didn't really want to write, to be honest. It was a busy day, so I just kind of relaxed. I did this for Sunday, Monday, and then today's Tuesday. So I always keep this little bag with me. Oh shoot, that always falls out. I need to figure out another way to like secure this because it's so annoying. So I always keep this little bag with me, and it has all of my little washies. So I'm going to grab my washies. I always use Coffee Monster Co. in the back, and I like to keep it that way. Like, I don't really care to change it. So I'm going to pick out a washi for today and add it to the bottom, and then just kind of divide it out like I do every single week, every single day. So yay. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is kind of like the bones of it so far. Like, I always write prompt at the top. I divide out my like tasks or to-do list, whatever I'm doing that day, into today, work, and life. Today is just like daily like basic habits. But yeah, and then the prompt for today, it's the 4th. So it is, what was a difficult decision you had to make? So I'll make sure to add that on here, write a little bit about it, nothing crazy. And then I divide this into 2 parts to write about the day. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. And so far so good. The only thing I have to do is write down my schedule for today. And then also I started reading a book. It is called, what is it called? Oh my gosh, let me look at it. Let me grab it. Oh, where's my phone? Once Upon a Broken Heart. So hopefully it's good. It has a lot of really good reviews. So, oh, and then Twisted Love I finished on the 2nd. So I can write 2. Okay, so I'll add Once Upon a Broken Heart to the list, and then once I'm done with it, we can write the date that we finished it and how many stars I'm going to give it. I'm thinking about printing out little like book covers to add on here. I did it last week, but these turned out fine, and then these are too thin, so I need to figure out how I'm going to do that, but I'm thinking about doing that. I think this book is going to take me a long time because I am busy. As far as like after work, I'm making sure to clean the house and organize. I want to kind of prepare myself for like deep cleaning, so I wanted to make sure to like do things and get things done around the house. So that's kind of why I'm not going to be reading as much this week, but either way, I'm going to try obviously to fit daily reading into my obvious habit. So yeah, anyways, that's what we have going on right now. Hey guys, so I still have a couple hours left of work, but I wanted to show you all just a couple of things that just came in. So I had placed an order on Shein for a couple of, I mean really I didn't need anything, but I said why not. So well, this thing I did need. It's a little clamp that I'm going to use for my planner. So whenever I'm like writing in my planner, the pages like they tend to like want to go over, so I wanted something that I could clamp on the side, like just a couple of pages, or even on this side wherever needed, to kind of hold the pages down. So whenever I'm planning, it can be a little bit easier and a little smoother experience. It seems like that's something that people do, and I wanted to give that a try, and it was only like $1 something. I think it was like $1.40. I also got these cute little nails. So these right here are like red with bows, these are blue with bows, and these are clear. The blue with bows are way too long for me, but they were super inexpensive, so I didn't mind ordering them and seeing if they worked for me or not. I've been wanting to try like press-ons. I've tried press-ons before, but they were clear and then I just painted them. So this is my first time trying the ones that have like a design to them. So hopefully they work. If not, I can always just paint over them or whatever. And I'm just gonna use regular like glue. I used to get my nails done all the time and it would ruin my nail beds like crazy. And finally I feel like my nails are a little bit stronger, and so I'm gonna try this, and I know it wouldn't be as damaging as using like either doing acrylics or Gel-X or anything like that. Gel-X is a little bit easier on the nail beds, but I do still feel like it damages it. So I wanted to try the glue option, the glue alternative, and then I got the clear ones. I showed you all the clear ones, I think, but these are just clear, and I figured I have a bunch of gel polishes that I can use. I figured I could, if I ever wanted to, just like do my own like designs or just paint them solid. The last thing that I got, I love coloring. I don't do it often. I wish I did, but I'll be honest, I mention this all the time, but like my hands hurt, my body hurts, like with my RA stuff, and it's just tiring, and also like it hurts to color as much with my hands because I mean it just hurts. But I got a coloring book. It's called Cozy Friends. They have this on Amazon too, but I saw it on Shein and it was only like $5, so this is what I ordered. It was just a small quick little order. I don't order often from them, but when I do, it's like little like knickknacks that I was gonna buy somewhere else anyways. But anyways, I'm gonna try these nails, see how they look. Hopefully they look okay. The only thing that I fear is that the glue that you'll be able to see the glue not dry up completely on the base, but we'll see how that works out. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and also continue working, and I will talk to you in a bit. Probably by dinner time we can cook dinner together. I'm gonna make, I think Matt and I had talked about like sushi bowls. I don't remember what we decided, but we'll figure that out together, and I'll talk to you about it.
Until you ask me what I want.
off of work. I just got off. I look a mess. I'm in my PJs. I'm ready for dinner. So I'm gonna make some tostadas. So I'm gonna toast some tortillas on the pan, and then just beans and why did I forget? Some cheese. So let me go ahead and get started with that. Beep, bop, boop, bop, beep, bop. Damn.
Baby, just stay with me. Did you really mean it? Are you thinking you might run? Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Baby, we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me.
Hey guys, so I have a couple of minutes before I have to go into a meeting, but I wanted to basically close out the vlog. Only thing I wanted to show you all is I got these cute little stickers. We were supposed to go to Five Below yesterday and to Daiso because they're right next to each other, but Five Below was closed. So annoying, because I only say that because the time on Google Maps on Google online, it said that they closed at 9, but then when we got to the door, they had like a little paper that said that they closed at 8. So that must have been like something new that they're implementing. Beats me, but they were closed. Thankfully Daiso's right next door and they closed at 9. So we went there. The main reason why we went was because we needed to get some like book stands, I guess you can call them. We're gonna use them for where we keep our vinyls. So we needed to get a bunch of those to make sure our vinyls are organized, and so whenever we take a vinyl out, they're not like falling over or tipping over or anything like that. But they had these cutie little stickers on by like the register. So they are Sanrio, and I just thought they were so cute. They're kind of like, they have like bunnies. They were in the section where it's like Sanrio stuff, but at the same time they also had like Easter themed stuff. So I'm not sure if it was like a combination of like themed, like Easter themed stuff. I don't know, it beats me. But regardless, I got them because they're adorable and I love the color, so I'm definitely going to be using that on my Hobonichi. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog here. I have to jump into a meeting, so today's the next day, but either way I wanted to make sure to have an outro. So I love you guys, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all on Friday. Bye.